Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we explore the Python data model, the framework of special methods that lets your objects integrate with the core language features. By implementing a few dunder methods, your classes gain support for iteration, slicing, sorting, printing, and arithmetic operators. Special methods, also called dunder methods, start and end with double underscores. They are invoked by the Python interpreter, not called directly by your code. For example, when you write lay of obj, Python actually calls obj dot underscore underscore lay underscore underscore. When you write obj bracket I, Python calls obj dot underscore underscore getitem underscore underscore with I. By implementing these methods, your objects behave like built-in types. Underscore underscore rep underscore underscore and underscore underscore str underscore underscore control how objects are displayed. Underscore underscore rep underscore underscore is for developers, called by repra and in the debugger. It should return an unambiguous string, ideally one that could recreate the object. Underscore underscore str underscore underscore is for end users, called by str and print. If you can only implement one, choose underscore underscore rep underscore underscore. Python uses it as a fallback for underscore underscore str underscore underscore. Underscore underscore lay underscore underscore and underscore underscore getitem underscore underscore form the sequence protocol. Underscore underscore lay underscore underscore makes lay of obj work by returning an integer count. Underscore underscore getitem underscore underscore makes obj bracket key work for indexing. Here's the magic: if you only implement underscore underscore getitem underscore underscore, Python can still iterate over your object, use the in operator, and even support slicing. Two methods give you the full power of a sequence. You can also emulate numeric types with special methods. Underscore underscore add underscore underscore enables the plus operator. A plus b calls a dot underscore underscore add underscore underscore b. Underscore underscore mul underscore underscore enables multiplication. A times b calls a dot underscore underscore mul underscore underscore b. Underscore underscore abs underscore underscore makes abs work useful for computing magnitude. And underscore underscore bool underscore underscore controls truth testing. When you write if obj, Python calls underscore underscore bool underscore underscore.
The FrenchDeck example from Fluent Python beautifully shows the data model. A card is a name tuple with rank and suit fields. The FrenchDeck class implements just underscore 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 returning the length of the internal list and underscore underscore getitem underscore underscore delegating to that list's bracket operator. With only these two methods, the deck supports lay, indexing, random choice, iteration with for loops, slicing, and even the in operator. Since FrenchDeck implements underscore underscore getitem underscore underscore, we can use sorted with a key function. We define suit values, spades highest at 3, hearts 2, diamonds 1, clubs 0. The ranking function multiplies rank index by 4 and adds suit value. Now sorted of deck with key equals spades underscore high gives us all 52 cards from 2 of clubs up to ace of spades, all without modifying the class. Let's create a vector class with underscore underscore add underscore underscore and underscore underscore abs underscore underscore. The constructor stores x and y, underscore underscore rep underscore underscore returns vector x, y. Underscore underscore add underscore underscore creates a new vector by adding corresponding coordinates. So vector 2 4 plus vector 2 1 gives vector 4 5. _abs__ returns the magnitude using the math module's hypot function. For Boolean behavior, we implement __bool__ on our vector. It returns bool of abs of self. So a 0 vector 0, 0 has magnitude 0 and is falsy. Vector 1, 0 has magnitude 1 and is truthy. Without __bool__ Python would call __len__ as a fallback. If neither exists, objects are always truthy by default.
Key takeaways from the Python data model. Don't invent your own special method names, use the ones Python defines. Always implement __rep__ first, it's the most useful for debugging. Remember that __getItem__ alone gives you iteration, in, and slicing for free. Special methods are for the interpreter to call, not for your code to call directly. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.